Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna fix this Sega Master System controller. You got to push really hard on these buttons here to get it to do anything. So I went on eBay, I just did a search for Sega Master System controller rebuild, and I got a kit here, so let me show you how to put it in. Okay, so once you get all 6 screws out, you can just pull the back off, and you've got 2 boards in here, and the cable, we're just going to go and pull that. There we go. And there's your control stick. I don't like these ones with the little posts, but you know, is what it is. So looking at this, I mean, these kind of look okay, and these ones do as well. Oh, that one's got a little crack in it. What about this one? It seems to be okay, but we're going to replace them anyway, so let's look at the little contacts here. And I think so. I've got a little this one's a brass. I've got fiberglass and a plastic one as well, but just gonna do a little bit of cleanup. I do this to clean cartridges. It doesn't do a lot of damage, but it does pull some dirt off of it. So we just want to make sure that they're clean. And I'm not pushing very hard. You know, I just want to get the dirt off. And then I'll grab my screwdriver, some isopropyl, or my toothbrush, some isopropyl alcohol. And we'll just do a little bit of a scrub there. Now, if you don't have this kit, you could probably just do this and, you know, just kind of clean up your little buttons here. But since I have a new one, that's what I'm going to put in there. So while that's drying, we'll put these to the side. We're going to need, now I've already done this with one controller, and if the parts look like they're okay, I'm going to save them. You never know. We'll bring this back and we'll just do a little bit of a scrub on here. Just to get all the dirt off. I think that's okay. Alright, so now, well, let's a little bit of schmutz right there, so we'll clean that off. And it looks like somebody had glued this in there, so I'm not even going to try and take it out. We'll just clean it up a little bit. So first we'll put these on, and they should just set down on there like that. Just want to kind of line them up. And then we'll put our stick back in. It doesn't matter what direction. It'll fit in all ways. You got 2 little posts right here, and we're gonna put those in like that. Yeah, this one's still has a little bit of the plastic there, so we'll take that off. There we go. Now we'll just set this board back on here, and it should line up with those little pins like that. And then we'll put this cable back through. Why Sega decided to put these on the side, I don't know. And then so this is the bottom here. I'm going to line this up and then put the screws back in. All right. Okay, so there you go. These buttons actually feel more springy. And so does this. So all that's left now is just go plug it into your system and try it out. All right, guys, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned. I'm actually working on repairing a master system that I'm going to be using this on. All right. See you next time.